In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to pay your AT&T bill online. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and head over to the official website of AT&T. Provide your credentials and log into your account. If you don't have an online account yet, you'll need to create one before you manage your billing online. Once you are signed in, navigate to billing or bill and payment section. Here you'll see your current balance, payment due date, and any previous billing history. To make a payment, click or tap Make a Payment. Enter the amount you would like to pay or choose to pay full balance. Then select your payment method. AT&T accepts several online payments options including debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay, and when signed in, eligible bank accounts and other supported payment methods. Review your payment details carefully, then confirm the transaction. Most online payments are processed within minutes, although some may take up to 24 hours to complete. If you don't want to sign in, AT&T also offers a pay without sign-in option. Simply enter your AT&T account number or active AT&T phone number along with your zip code, then follow the on-screen instructions to submit your payment securely. After your payment is submitted, you will receive a confirmation message or email. It's a good idea to save or screenshot the confirmation for your records. You can also return to the billing section anytime to view your payment history or download copies of your bills. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.